everybody, welcome back to my channel Life with Daniel Malcolm. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell and select all, so every time I post a video you will be notified. I'm sure you've seen the title down below. Today we'll be doing the what will we be doing?
I don't know.
What will we be doing?
Some drinking challenge.
We'll be doing the soda challenge.
Oh my god. It's the first time you ever said that, Kyle. Long time you had to write that down.
Man, I've been waiting for this.
I remember one time you did say one lemon challenge. The one who makes the face, the one who does not make the face when they taste the lime. Remember that. Remember you brainstorm everything?
So for a long time before me even start my channel, I write down some ideas in a song book and then I help me write some ideas and I mention the soda challenge and then want it from before me start my channel. So now then finally I get to do it. I go for this sodas right now. Oh, please watch till the end and don't skip out none of the video. Watch the full video and press like with the cameras. Here you go, madam.
Thank you.
Here you go, madam.
Thank you.
Here you go, madam. And here you go, madam. That one is mine. I'm always doing something crazy and funny.
Should we open these now? Oh, it's hard to open though.
Wait.
You said, Oh my god, these are hard to
Oh
open.
no, me pull your phone.
Okay.
What's up?
One of those that they go at the same time. Me and my
Hold it with two hands. Hold it. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
See. Thank
I don't
Let me
want
pull yours, Mom.
nobody to drink me.
Mom, let me pull yours. Sorry.
Ah,
How about you?
smell lovely. Maybe it tastes lovely.
Wanna try yours? Did you try it? Tastes like mine, huh?
Same thing.
Oh, should we drink it? See,
Mom,
You know, see, like how we did do the milk challenge.
bubble gum.
It's like how they do the milk challenge. That's how we are going to do it.
Oh my god! Then what we are gonna get? We didn't get chips after.
I don't got no chips this time.
Ah.
Let's see who can drink coffee.
Yeah, too acid in our throat.
Cookers, just Christ.
I'm winning.
You know, I can't breathe.
Actually, me always a win every challenge. Let me take a ginger beer guy extra hot and give mommy. But me a curse, I go build
Hey, bubble gum is the same like mom's. Oh my god, my throat.
acidy.
I said just take a red one. The red one is just for gold. Just look back at She never gonna let go of that butter.
Curse, I can't go with me, no. No look good. You know what, bitch, Carrie?
I tried to win.
Yeah, oh, you figure when you left me, I must be mad now.
You're picking a win, man. You're too wicked.
You said ginger beer plus the hot, you know, man.
That's why you make your burp too much. I just burp a few times.
Mommy not even build. You must have come make mommy can build.
Well, one time he does.
One race we are race.
It's like I'm not burping. Excuse me.
Mayor, no water.
Look at Mom's lip is a bit bigger. Oh no. Here goes.
No.
No fear.
No. What?
That was a close match. Mommy almost win me. Jesus Christ.
But that ain't going
No,
on me.
sir. Wake up a second, 2 seconds.
Jeez.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
That one that was the prize anyway.
Excuse me.
No, sir. You need to have some
Maybe
belching.
food.
Come up. Come drink coffee. I say a Chanel. Yeah, Gary. Yeah, Chanel.
I know.
Look like them bitch that come from down in my big toe.
I'm full.
I'll see this show tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning after that.
Wait,
Me say this
tomorrow
girl can
morning
fret
the
over
jello
food, you
is-
see, man. Sure.
Carry yourself.
Una lay more challenge.
I got in there.
Go show them where you are left in my bottle. I first never built so much in my life. Hold up for yourself. Hurry up and come back. Oh, this is... I mean,
Actually, it was like to swallow a bit, but then they burp so much. It's almost like everybody could hear it in the whole wide world, even aliens.
Me I built so much so till me almost lose.
Like a pig. A pig like one big
Cocky
belch.
earth. My nose. You go fly out of my nose.
Ew.
Ew, your bones.
Bone! Look at girl, look how much meat there for my body. Which one forget bone from? A bone this or a big belly?
Bone.
Feel it?
Bone.
Keep on there. Go on.
Belly.
Guys, look at we know see who come third and fourth. Who the ham left in for them, you know?
It was mine. That's how
You
I
have
was
the
messed up.
most. You have more than Chanel, more than Carissa.
Yeah, you guys just drink yours.
Sore loser. So, this is the end of the challenge. So, no say the challenge, we know so no enjoy. What a heap of burping, maybe I saw till me nearly lose. When they drink me a belch. And you can like one whole series in the belch in the top. Woo. So, we come first, and then 2 seconds later, mommy. And then, Carissa almost drink off her. Chanel and Carissa don't drink off, you know, but Chanel have more in her for her than for Carissa. I say one time I see Carissa just set his back and I was like,
I should not drink it fast, that's fine.
I said, no, he can't win. He can't
So
win.
say I'm trying to win.
I said, those are Carissa can't win. He left me. And me I foodie. I'm the head foodie of this family. Me
No.
and then...
No, I am.
Me I head foodie of this family. And then Carissa. Carissa just print me off of food. Carissa just print me off of food. You see them two there now? They have a pussy belly. One slice of bread. And one little egg. And she don't even can eat his slice of bread and egg alone. Me and Carissa, 2 slices of bread and 1 egg. That's true. When Carissa eat off 2 slices of bread, you need 2.
Just really.
Let me give you.
Sit down at the table. Listen.
Me have a video, you know. Me have a video on my phone. Good girl, eat off your 2 slices of bread and 1 egg when you 2. Or 3. We see it. Let me go back and dig up it. Anyways, so this is the end of the soda challenge. I know you enjoy. Stay tuned for the next video. You can comment down below some more challenges we do for you. Family friendly, of course. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.
All I want for Christmas is you.